Hello everyone, I am Dipanjali Thakur from Bansal Public School. I hope you all are staying well and healthy at your home. Now today I am going to show you some experiments related to science. The activities which we will be performing today, the first one is diffusion, the second one is the reaction between vinegar and baking soda, and third one is refraction. So let's start with our first activity. The things which we require for the first activity is a glass full of hot water and a glass of cold water. Now we can use this Ujala, like we have Ujala at our home, or we can use any color which is there at home. Try to use the watercolors. Now I will add 1 drop of this in the hot water and 1 drop of this in the cold water. Now you can observe that the rate of diffusion is faster in this glass. It is faster in this glass and it is slower in this glass. Why it is faster in this glass? Because when we had added the ink in it, the particles, they get the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of the particle, it increases. Why? Because it is hot water. So the heatness, the heat, it increases the kinetic energy of the water, and therefore the rate of diffusion increases. While here it is the cold water, the kinetic energy of the particle does not increase, therefore here the diffusion is slow. That is, intermixing of the particle is very slow. Okay. Now we'll moving with the second activity. The things which we require for the second activity: first vinegar, which is chemically acetic acid, water, corn, take the dry corns, then baking soda. Baking soda chemically is sodium bicarbonate. Now here first we will add half glass of water. This much water is sufficient. Then we will put some corns in it. Don't add too much enough corn, otherwise your experiment won't be successful. Then we will add vinegar. Add small quantity of vinegar, like 2 or 3 tablespoons is sufficient. Then we will add baking soda. Now perform the reaction carefully. You can see that the bubbles that started coming out with the fizzing sound, this is carbon dioxide. Now we will see that the corns, they will move down and some corn will move up. We have to wait for a moment. We will add few corn more in it. Now you can see that the corns, they had started moving. One of the corn is moving up, other corn again moving up. Like this, the corns, they had started moving. The one corn, it went down. We had seen that how the corn, they move up and down. Now why they move up and down? Because the carbon dioxide released during the reaction sticks to the corn and brings them up, makes them lighter, and when these carbon dioxide bubble, it bursts out, then they again moves down. So this was the activity which you can easily perform at home. Now the third concept which I am going to explain you today with the help of activity, that is refraction. Now refraction, we mean the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. For this we are going to use a glass of water and a paper on which I had drawn the 2 arrows. One facing towards left, another facing towards right. Done. Now you can see that the direction of the arrow is reversed. The upper one is facing towards right and the lower one is facing towards left. Now here we can see that we are having the 3 mediums. The one, our paper is in air, then a wall of a glass, then water, then again wall of a glass, and then air. So the light is traveling through different medium, and because of this the image which is we are seeing from the other side of the glass is reversed, that of arrows. I hope you will perform all these activities at home and you had understood them properly. So thank you for watching and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.